Hey everybody, it's Trevor here at Legacy Dodge in Claresholm, back with a very special vehicle. Take a look at this 2024 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L all-wheel drive. Why is it special, you say? Well, it's one of the few vehicles on sale today that are still built right here at home in Canada, and we're proud to offer it to you. Take a look at this. Right from the remote, we've got power tailgate and power sliding doors. Now, if you've already driven a Grand Caravan or Pacifica, you're going, yeah, show me something new. Take a look at this. This little button right here is going to allow you to single touch move that driver's seat forward and out of the way. What good is that? Well, let me show you. Underneath the second floor, we've got this lovely stow and go compartment for storage for all your toys and all the stuff you want to keep out of sight. You'll notice there's room for the drive shaft in the all-wheel drive system. Right here on this stow and go handle, we're going to give that a yank. We're going to fold this seat up right down in the ground, just like that. Magic trick. Lots of room. You can fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood back here if you need to, with all the seats folded. And in the event you need to undo that process, simply flip your seats up out of the way, pull like that, and just like that, you're back to full seating capacity. Up front, driver's seat. Oh no, it's still in the way. Take a look. Press that button one more time. By the time you get around that door and back to where you need to be, that seat will be right where it needs to be. You've got a 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 display with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. How long have we been building vans? Quite a little while. Nice little Easter egg in there for you. You've got adaptive cruise control, this gorgeous dual-pane panoramic moonroof, tri-zone climate control, S-appearance seating. What more could you ask for in a family hauler? If you're still looking at an SUV and you haven't considered the brand new Pacifica, I highly recommend you come down here and check it out. 403-625-4555. Take it home today.